Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Maggie, and today I will be seeing what people will trade for in Aussie Egg. And I'm only going to do 5 trades to see what people trade, and if it's a good trade, I'll accept, but if it's a bad trade, I will decline. And if all of them are bad trades, then I am going to hatch it myself. Okay, so we're going to my car isn't moving, so I'm just gonna spawn it again. And I hatched a fossil egg, and I got a pedectrial. I don't know how to pronounce it. Um, okay, but hopefully we get some good trades for this Aussie egg. So here we go. Now we're moving. Okay, so looks like there's some people here. Um, see, trading Aussie egg. Okay, so maybe we can get a fossil egg. I'm not sure. There's a woolly mammoth right there, owned by her. I know they're supposed to trade me, but I'm just gonna trade her. Oh, there's Stella. Hi, Stella. Girlfriend. Oh, where'd you go? There she is. Hi. Okay. Um, ginger cat named Gingerbread. Hi, I want your turtle for my Aussie egg. Thank you. Maybe not. Um, come on. I just need like 5 trades. Let me make sure my trades are on. Yeah, they're on. Trade me if you have a saber tooth. Why does she want a saber tooth? But I don't have one yet. But so. Hi, I'm gonna put in my Aussie egg. Thank you. She has an Aussie egg. Hold up. Boom. Ooh. Wow, okay. You guys saw that. So nobody here is really rich. Like she's they're pretty like rich-ish. So here's the server of I guess rich people, rich-ish people. But yeah. Let me know if you guys want me to do a cool transition trailer or something like that. I'm not sure, but like, if you guys want me to make a mini movie, let me know down in the comment section below. Cause I'm thinking for the mini movie, I could start out something like so it's all scrolled out, and then obviously I have to turn off player interaction, something like that, and then I'm just gonna like go in something like that, you know? Like how do I do this? Like if I'm using my mouse it goes really fast, but I don't want it to go fast. So I'm thinking I could go like something like this. Yeah, that seems good. Ish, I guess. You want to say it's good. But yeah, that's what I'm thinking if I'm gonna do a mini movie. Okay. I'm gonna trade her. Oh my god, T-Rex! The ride T-Rex. Okay, I'm gonna trade her. I'm clicking on her. Jeez. A fly ride blue dog, guys. Oh my gosh. I'm totally going to accept this. And then I'm gonna trade the blue dog. Like, I should do a chain. I should do a chain. Beep, 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 beep. Oh no, I wanted to trade her, not that girl. Right there. Boom. She has ride T-Rex. Okay. Oop. So I'm. Ooh. No, my mouse wasn't working for a second. No! Ugh. I was gonna add. Ooh, ride Triceratops. Nice. Just gonna trade her. No, she declined my trade. Okay, so I'm thinking I'm gonna do a chain video as my next video, like where I have to trade and then okay. So nobody's really trading me and so I'm thinking I'm just gonna hatch this thing myself. So let's do that. So it's hungry, so I'm gonna give it a sandwich. I'm out of water, sadly. Okay. I'm gonna give you a sandwich. And then next task is it wants a bath, so we're gonna go in here. Looks like people are in my car. Okay, they're out. My house. Bam. Oh my gosh. Hi, lady. I'm just gonna trade you. So, okay, great. Aussie egg. Seriously, girl. I'm not about to do that. Thank you. Alright, let's get my Aussie egg a shower or bath, whatever you want to call it. Um. Mm, 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 mm. How do I get? I'm so stupid. I know I could just like walk over, but like not that easy. So Stella's unicorn room is like the fanciest, the most fancy stuff. And if you're wondering why don't I use my room, well, I don't use my room because, well, my room is kind of not the best for hatching eggs. It's more of Stella's unicorn room. Okay, I'm I'm gonna be back, Stella. I have to go take my Aussie egg to the hospital, which is not right across the street because sometimes I don't even know where I'm going. So I'm just gonna hop in my car and here we go. And Stella's also going to hatch an Aussie egg. Beep, 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 beep. Crash into a lamp pole. Alright, here we go. We're here. Get out. Here we go. Okay, so gonna put my Aussie egg right here. And we just wait. Waiting. Okay. So guys, what do you think I'm gonna get out of this Aussie egg? So I bought another Aussie egg and I hatched it off camera and I got a rare, hallelujah. So I got a rare, I got an Australian Kelpies and I have two Australian Kelpies. Okay, so now it wants to drink. Well, it can drink at my house because I'm not about to go buy water. Oh my gosh. Crashing into cars. In all my videos, I play Adopt Me. I think I should start doing some Royal High videos because with my Adopt Me videos, I've been getting a lot of money in Adopt Me and stuff like that. Both Royal High, even though I have 13, maybe 14,000 gems in Royal High, I should still get like maybe more because I kind of want a long dress and I only have short dresses. So, hi, Stella. Doing her little dance. Okay, so I'm just gonna, like, okie dokie. So, no. Come on. Accept the, accept the invitation. Yay, great. Okay, I'm gonna move your Aussie egg. So, Aussie egg 2. It's not mine. Mine is Aussie egg 1. Okay, here's yours. Merry Christmas. Okay. Oh my gosh. Shower. Okie dokie. What is? Okay, so the last task is shower. Seriously? No, it wasn't done. No, no, what? No, stop. It wasn't done. Stop. No, what the heck? No. Wasn't done. I guess I was done sleeping, but seriously? Oh my gosh. This is so stressful right now. No, she left the family. Dang it. Okay. Oh, yay. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna put my Aussie egg. Nope, that was hers. Can you please take yours? Okay, you know what? No. No, no. Hold on. Okay, so I'm gonna. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm closing my eyes. I'm so scared right now. I don't know what I got. 3, 2, 1. Open my eyes. No! Why? Every time! Oh my gosh, every time! It's always a bandicoot! Stella, where are you? So sad. Accept the dang trade request. Oh, I have another one? No, I only have one. Yay! Okie dokie, now I don't have a bandicoot to make me feel sad. Even though bandicoots aren't really in the game anymore, and I have no more Aussie eggs, but that's okay. So this guy just sent me a trade request, so I'm going to put in coffee because that's seriously the only... Oh my god! Oh my god! You know, I'm just going to put in this. No, nope, 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 nope. A dragon. Okay, bye. Da, 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 da. So it looks like we're doing my intro as my outro today. So I love you guys so much. Please like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. It really helps my channel. Also watch another video. That also helps my channel. Bye!